How to replace text in a string column of a Pandas data frame? I have a column in my data frame like this, and I want to replace the comma with dash. I'm currently using this method, but nothing is changed. Can anybody help?
Use the vectorized str method replace. Edit, so if we look at what you tried and why it didn't work. From the docs we see this description. str or regex, str, string exactly matching to underscore replace will be replaced with value. So because the str values do not match, no replacement occurs. Compare with the following. Here we get an exact match on the second row and the replacement occurs.
For anyone else arriving here from Google search on how to do a string replacement on all columns, for example, if one has multiple columns like the ops range column, Pandas has a built-in replace method available on a data frame object. df.replace regex equals true. Source, docs.
If you only need to replace characters in one specific column, somehow regex equals true and in place equals true all failed, I think this way will work. Lambda is more like a function that works like a for loop in this scenario. X here represents every one of the entries in the current column. The only thing you need to do is to change the column underscore name, characters underscore need underscore to underscore replace and new underscore characters.
Replace all commas with underscore in the column names.